Hello everyone, so this video is about me making my own version of Dyson's Zoll powder, which is basically a powder that you scrub into your carpet and then it's a good alternative to washing your carpet apparently. So that's what I'm going to do. So I've got these cleaning products here that I bought. So just carpet shampoo, another type of carpet shampoo, well that's a stain remover really, and some window cleaner as well. I'm also going to use some washing up liquid, which is basically fairy liquid if you're in the UK. Or I'm not sure if you got that in the USA actually. I don't think you have, but fairy is just dish soap, okay? I've got a ton of sawdust over there. Look how much I've got. You know that mess test I did last time, yeah, where I covered my entire landing with sawdust? Look how much I used. That's literally. It looks like a little, but it's actually a lot. So this is gonna last me ages. So I'm gonna use that to soak in cleaning solution. So first of all, what I'm going to do is use this probably first. So let's, well, I'm not too sure how the size. Yeah, this is 1 litre. So this is 1 litre. I've got a container, right? So I'm going to put sawdust in that container, half of this in that container as well, and then 1 litres worth of water to mix that with the sawdust. So my carpets, unfortunately or fortunately, are pretty clean. They're not that filthy. See this yellow bottle of 1001 stain remover? I've actually tested it in a little area over there, and yeah, it's cleaned a little patch up. So it does work. I'm just going to see how it works with the sawdust though, as a dry cleaning alternative, because washing a carpet is going to use tons of water and you have to wait for drying time and all of that. This is just a more easier approach in my opinion, and you just vacuum it up. So like I mentioned, I'm going to put in half of this, then 1 litre worth of, well, half a litre of this, 1 litre of water in the container, mix it with sawdust, and also about 6 or 7 tablespoons of fairy liquid. And then you just get a sieve out all the liquid so that you're left with soaking wet sawdust basically. So this is a bit experimental, right? Half of that is filled in sawdust. Now we're gonna fill just half of that bottle's worth of cleaning fluid into here. Okay, that might even be overkill. I might just need a quarter's worth. I don't know. No, I'll do half. Okay, so that's half. Pretty much. This is just visual, right? Nothing accurate. So I'm gonna fill this up with water and then use about 7 tablespoons of washing up liquid. Okay, quick update. I've done that. You need to get a sieve and just drain out all the liquid, yeah? So you're just left with a nice wet sawdust. So basically what you do, yeah, is you've got to scrub it in very, very, very well into the carpet so that the sawdust basically scrubs against the dirt inside the carpet. So you can do it with a stiff broom or whatever brush you've got. I'm actually going to use my Sebo X4, but obviously I'm going to disable the suction, yeah, so I'm going to take the hose off while the brush does all the work. I can't do it one-handed, but yeah, the brush spins and it's got a nice stiff brush bar. Pretty dense bristles, so it's going to do a really good job at brushing the sawdust in. Okay, see that clean spot over there? We're going to see if that disappears. So it looks like it works. Look, there's no more clean spot. It means the whole area is clean. Wow. Alright, I'm going to finish up vacuuming now. I've also done it in my hallway and one of the other rooms, so I'm going to probably film that. I don't know yet. Obviously, if you're going to try this at home, try it in a little isolated area so you know it's not going to damage your carpet's colour. Okay, just a quick update. You know one thing I'll do differently is, you know, inside of the container, don't put the sawdust first. Mix your solutions and then put in the sawdust slowly, slowly, slowly until you know that it's all soaked. Because when I was doing it downstairs, I noticed that a lot of the sawdust was actually dry. So, but luckily, when I was doing this area, it was fully wet. So that's the thing. The top of the container was soaked because the bottom layer inside was just not soaked properly. So yeah, just wanted to get that out there. If you enjoyed this video, comment below, click like, and let me know if you want to see more.